Hi everyone. Can't find the chat theme option on Instagram? Don't worry, I will show you simple ways to fix it step by step. Step 1. Update Instagram. First, open the Play Store or App Store. And update Instagram. The chat theme features only work on latest version. Step 2. Restart the app. Close Instagram completely and open it again. Sometimes the option appears after a refresh. Step 3. Log out or log in. Log out of your accounts. And log back in. This refreshes your account settings. Step 4. Check region availability. In some countries, these features may not be available yet. So if you still not see, it might not be rolled out for your accounts. Step 5. Clear cache Android. Go to settings. Apps. Instagram. Storage and cache. Tap clear cache. This can fix missing features. Step 6. Reinstall Instagram. If nothing works, uninstall Instagram and install it again from the official store. Final tip, make sure you are using the official Instagram app and not a mod version. And that's it. These steps should help you to fix the Instagram chat theme option not showing. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more easy teach tips.